Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to check and see what came in my Ipsy Glam bag for May. If you are not familiar with the Ipsy Glam bag, it's $14 a month plus a $1.99 processing fee or handling fee. I'm not quite sure how it's categorized, but it's an extra $1.99. You will get 5 items worth up to $70, and that is going to be a mix of sample sizes and full-size items. You will get to pick one of your items each month, and it's a great value for what you get, generally speaking. So I'm excited to see what's in here. First, I'm going to show you the very cute bag. It is a really pretty flowery print, and it is a vinyl, so it's going to be super easy to clean. It's got the Ipsy pull tab, and on the inside is a tan color. The theme for May is the Secret Garden. And it says, this month, these beauty staples will bring your look into full bloom. And it tells me what I got in my bag. The first thing is from Reina Rebeldi. And this is the Wet Dry Eye Colors Serena palette. And this is the full size with a MSRP of $18. And I really think this is the pick I made for this bag, but I'm not 100% sure. But this one eyeshadow palette is the cost of the bag, so everything else is just gravy. So this is a really cute palette. It's got a butterfly on the front, and this is a wet dry palette, meaning you can wet this and get a kind of a stronger pigmentation, or you can use it dry and blend it in a little differently. So it just depends on how you want to apply yours. So I love these colors. You've got a beautiful pink and some really pretty aqua teal blues, as well as some just taupey gold neutral colors. That can make a really gorgeous eye. You could build out with the neutral colors and do a pop of color with the blue, or have just your base, your lid color be the light color and darken it in with the others. So that would be really pretty regardless. And you've got that really pretty kind of rosy peach color to blend in as well. So even though this isn't like screaming spring, you can really build a really pretty spring look with those colors. So I do like that. $18 value for the eyeshadow. Next item is from Luna Magic. And this is a Soft Perfection Foundation in Light. And I am very pale, so let me see if that looks like. I think that might actually work. I'm going to swatch it. And it feels like it's a cream to powder. Oh, that's perfect. You can't even tell where I put it. That is a perfect. I'm getting a good bit on my finger, and it blends in just perfect. And this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version of this product is going to be 8 grams, which would be $25. And this size is 2.8, so this is almost a half-size deluxe sample, which would make it about a $12.50 value. Really great value for that little one. And again, almost the cost of the bag just from one item. The next item is What's Up Beauty, and this is Egyptian Queen. This is Egyptian Queen lipstick in Seba, S-E-B-A, Seba. And this says this is a deluxe sample, which the full size would be 4.5 grams at $23. And this is the color of the lipstick. It's sealed in plastic wrap. I'm just going to leave it closed until I'm ready to use it. But that is a really pretty color. The next item in here is a Kat Berkey Nutrient C Eye Cream. And it says the full size version of this is a 1/2 ounce, and that would be $90. I'll try to figure out what full size means and show you here. But a beautiful eye cream from Kat Berkey. I love that. I love a good eye cream. It says instantly brighten and revive tired looking eyes thanks to a combo of vitamin C and caffeine. So I'm all about that. My eyes are crazy tired, which is why I'm wearing the glasses instead of my contacts. So I'm going to try this one tomorrow and see if I can look like I'm a live person and see how that works. The next item is from Sutra Beauty, and this is a volumizing and thickening cream. And this says the full-size version of this is $20. This is a deluxe sample. And this is for limp and lifeless hair. It says this will help turn even fine and thin hair into voluminous tresses of your dreams. So we'll see about that. If it can make these fine, thin tresses look voluminous, I will be happy. So we've got a really great bag this month. We've got a super cute bag that I will definitely use. And 5 really good products for our bag. I love my Ipsy bag. Let me know what you got in yours. Did you get some of these same products? Did they work for you? Did the eye cream make you look amazing and the hair cream make you look voluminous in your hair? Tell me your thoughts on your bags. Give me your comments on the Ipsy Glam bag in general. Do you think it's worth the value? Do you think there's other bags or boxes that are a better offer? Let me know. If I don't already review it on my channel, I might check it out and see if we want to go ahead and add it to the lineup. I want to thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Bye-bye.